That's our turkey. So you technically marinate her for a day with all the herbs that you want it to taste to. So, and now we're preparing our oyster. So you can see them also. I just need to fill this up. I'll show you what I am filling up. That's all. So this is how many pounds pa?
14.
So this big bird is 14 pounds. And that's technically their sauce. And these are the inclusions. They have the esophagus there. And this one are, I have apples, I have garlic, I have onions, and I have the chili pepper. And I added zucchini because the zucchini is really tasty once it goes out of the belly of this big one. And yeah, supposedly she's like that when you bought it. And I will